Hello, everyone. Today's question is 8 divided by 4, bracket 2 into 1. So first, we'll solve 8 divided by 4, which equals 2. Now, 2 times 2 times 1 equals 2. Now, we'll remove the brackets and multiply. So 2 times 2 equals 4. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer. Let's go ahead and rewrite the question. 8 divided by 4, 2 into 1, according to the BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the bracket, so 2 times 1 equals 2. Moving on to the next step, 8 divided by 4, bracket 2. Now we have 8 divided by 4 times 2. Then we'll check from left to right, where addition, multiplication, and division all have the same priority. So when checking from left to right, we'll solve whichever comes first. Here, division comes first and multiplication comes second. So 8 divided by 4 times 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now 2 times 2 equals 4. This is the answer.